guys, welcome back to another video. This one's going to be slightly different today, but still exciting.
We've teamed up with Titan RV and Caravan RV Camping to give away the ultimate leveling starter pack and the Fastway E2 round bar hitch.
All of this is valued at over $2,000. We've got all the stuff behind us here. We haven't unpacked it yet, we haven't seen it, but we're going to show you how it all works.
Here it all is, the ultimate caravan leveling pack and the Fastway E2 round bar hitch. In the ultimate caravan leveling pack, you get the Black Jack electric trailer jack, you get some leveling chocks, you get a big block to help raise up the front, you get the tow ball weight scale, a super chock, anti-ant stabilizer pads, and a new breakaway cable too. And of course, we also get the Fastway E2 round bar hitch. So we've spent the morning putting everything together, and here's what it all looks like, all in one big piece. The first thing we want to talk to you about is the Black Jack electric trailer jack. This is probably one of the most advanced trailer jacks out there, and I was super stoked when they said that we could have one of these to test out and to give away. It was super easy to install. It comes with a specific bracket just so you can bolt straight on. And the ease of just having a button to press to raise and lower the caravan is going to make everything super easy, and I can get Chelsea to work a little bit more. It comes with a super easy wiring kit that comes with everything that you need. It's got a level gauge on the top, a complete wiring kit, a bolt-on bracket so there's no drilling or anything, and it's got a few different options for the legs. First of all, we've put on the no bending folding foot. You don't have to bend down, pull anything up or change anything. And as you raise it up, the leg comes up, and as you lower it back down, the leg comes down, making it super simple. It also comes with a standard base so that you can adjust the height for those bigger caravans, and it also comes with a jockey wheel attachment too for the smaller vans and things that are a little bit more maneuverable. Unfortunately for us, we probably won't use the jockey wheel because between me and Chelsea, to try and push 2.5 tons between us is not really something that we do too often. Also, under here, there's also a built-in light to help in nighttime operation so that you can still see what you need to do. And to tie it all in, you get this neat little bag. It's a weatherproof bag to protect everything while you're traveling or parked up at your caravan site. The Black Jack has some really cool specs too. It's got a massive 1600 kilo lifting capacity, and it's also got a massive 560 mm stroke, so you'll definitely clear your tow vehicle when you're trying to unhook. The Black Jack bracket is super simple to install, no drilling or cutting required. It's got bolt holes for 3, 4, 5 and 6 inch chassis, and with these bolt holes on the top here, it's got 360 degree movement, so you can pretty much put it anywhere on your drawbar. Included in the giveaway is a Black Jack tow ball weight scale. These are super handy to help work out your weights and find out how much extra weight your caravan is going to put on the back of your car. We did ours earlier. It's a super handy thing to know, and it just gives you peace of mind so that you know how much weight is going on the back of your vehicle. We've always had wooden blocks and broken plenty of wooden blocks, so Redfoot have come up with the ideal solution to get that extra extension, and it's the Redfoot leveling big block. This is rated for 2.5 tonne and it's got a lifetime warranty, so you know it's going to last.
Now this is probably my favourite item in the giveaway because it means you're not going to get ants and creepy crawlies inside your caravan. These are the Redfoot anti-ant stabilising pads. So what you do is you put them under your legs, fill them with water, and then creepy crawlies can't get up inside. These stabilizer pads are tough and durable. They're also really good when you're on uneven surfaces or you're on sand camping because it just widens your footprint so you get a bit more stabilized. Next up, we've got the Redfoot Leveling Super Chock. So this is rated for 3.5 tons, suitable for any caravans, RVs, motorhomes, and it's really durable. This thing's quite heavy, Gives you a bit of peace of mind when you're trying to chock the van. And as you've probably seen, I do have a very real fear of falling off cliffs. So this is gonna be my best friend. Now onto the Redfoot levelers. Now this is my job when we rock up to a caravan park or a campground, is to level the caravan. So this will make it super easy with these very durable new ones from Redfoot. So we've got the non-slip matting under here for when you're on the concrete, that way they're not gonna slide under the wheels. They are rated for 13 tons, so they are super strong, and they come with a lifetime warranty.